Hey everybody, welcome back to Texas. Glad you could join me. I'm going to show you a new project I got. It's going to have multiple videos on this, and we go step by step on what I'm going to be doing. Alright, this is my new to me 2013 Dodge Charger RT Hemi. As you can see, it has it's like Texas size hail damage. It's probably the worst thing about it, the hail damage done to it. This is the Hemi Blacktop Edition. I don't know if y'all can see the dents and stuff in it, but probably get a good view of the dents in right there. But got a paintless dent repair. I'd say that 3 times fast. Paintless dent repair from Amazon. It's about 30 bucks. And we're gonna try it out, see if it works. And then we'll go from there. I'll see y'all here shortly. Alright, got the area all prepped. You see I got a double dent right there. It's kind of hard to see it very well. And then I got 2 small dents right here. You can see it right there. So I'm gonna get it all set up and put a couple poles on it and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try to set it up with the right size. Try that one there first. Sit there for a minute. Alright, so here's what we do now. Get this set up in there. Put it down just enough to get her locked in. Just like that. See that? Snug it back. Grip it a couple times. I hadn't done anything, but spray a little alcohol on it. Pull a little bit of it out. We're going to try it all over again. Alright, now, while we're taking a minute for them to set up and dry, let's talk about Texas. I had somebody ask me the other day, why does most of the men in Texas wear boots? Well, it shouldn't just be Texas. You need to go into your man's closet and see if he's got a pair of boots. If he ain't got them in his closet, you better have them on his feet. Because if he ain't got them on his feet, you might want to check his drawers because he might be wearing your panties. Girls, don't be having a man that don't wear boots. Get you a good man, Christian man. Make him a Texas man. Hopefully he got a pair of boots somewhere in his closet. Alright, now let's see if we can get back to this stuff. Let's check this out, see if get back on it. Quick, easy pull. Get that one side out. I got one more, just a little spot left in there. We'll try it again. If that don't get it, we can call it good enough. Alright, we're back a minute. This is worse than watching paint dry. Alright, I went ahead and got it all set up for this one. Went ahead and got that one set up so it don't take so long to prep. Give it a couple squeezes and see what we got. Got one, just one little small thing, one more pull and it'll be out of there. We try this one here. A little trigger one is sitting right on the edge. Almost got on the first pull. These are them damn Texas size hill dents. Give it just a little bit more, so I think I'll wait for the smaller one here. As you can see, I'm not putting too much pressure to get these off. Oh, some of these guys on there, they act like they're stuck on there so damn hard that got one just teeny tiny indent right there. Hit it one more time. Boys, this is working. 30 bucks off Amazon. May take a while, but sure as hell beats $4,000 for paintless dent remover. Guy to come out and do the same dang thing I am. Alright. A couple of them set up. Let's see what we got this time. That one's gone. One more sitting up here. We'll do that one real quick and then we'll move on to some other projects I got coming up. I'm going to show you real quick. That'll do it for this part. I'm going to show you some other projects I got coming up. Alright, so this is my project car. As of right now, I'm going to replace these trims on the outside. Believe it or not, they're a little harder to find online than what you would think. And then, like any Dodge, especially here in Texas, the leather's pulling away from the door. I'm going to show you how to fix all that. Leather pretty much itself looks good. And same thing here. It's pulling away from there. So the door will probably be next, and then I'll move on to the center console after we get the door done. And we'll go from there. And also have a exhaust system coming. Right now it's still a stock exhaust, so I got some SLP catback loudmouths coming. Alright, that about wrap it up for this video. If you got any questions, drop them down in the comments. Please like and subscribe. And y'all watch your six out there. God bless Texas. And I guess all them other states. Alright, see you later.